Hey friends, this is Mrs. DLC, a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and now your newest best friend here on YouTube. I created this channel because I believe no matter where you are in life, whether you're 30, 50, or just like me, fabulous 60, it's never too late to reinvent yourself. Retirement, it's around the corner for me, and honestly, I have no clue what life is going to look like. But that's exactly why I'm taking you along this journey. Here you'll find my unboxings, reviews of handbags, accessories. I love stories from my time as a pre-loved luxury bag reseller. I'm going to share with you how I started my home staging business and where I am today, plus plenty of lifestyle vlogs. Oh, and if you're a fan of cruising, you better stick around because I'll be sharing that too. I want this channel to be a reminder that life doesn't stop after a certain age. We can still try new things, we can explore passions and create our what's next. So if you're curious about handbags, luxury finds, travel, or just figuring out life at any age, and especially after 60, you've found the right place. How about you hit that subscribe button and join me here on Mrs. DLC, because